So by now we have already defined many occupied houses and also created owners for those occupied houses. And for each occupied houses we have set their properties like the sale price, and we set the properties of owners as well, like mortgage, deposits, repayments, and so on. But what about empty houses? There is still about 5% vacancy. So 5% of all the houses are empty. For empty houses, as we can see here, for empty houses we know that the sale price should be 0 because we haven't set the sale price for empty houses. Or the my owner should be 0 as well because empty house has no owner. We can try one. So we got these two houses. Both of them, see, owner is 0, owner is 0. And we can also see its sale price to be 0. This one, sale price 0 too. So these two houses are empty houses, no doubt. And our task is to create sale price for those empty houses because empty houses need to be sold so that people can live inside. So how do we get a sale price for the empty houses? One natural way to get a price is to ask around, see the local houses, how much do they sell? Now we will know how much can this empty house sell. So local houses prices is important. And if we do not know the local house, if there's no local houses with sale price, then we just have to consider further away houses, maybe just all the occupied houses, their sale prices, and take a median price. So if that happens, we probably need to ask all houses. As long as they have a sale price, which means they have owners, they have a price in their hearts to sell the house someday. So ask all those houses, get their sale price, and get their median value. Use this median value to be the median price. So this median price is for all the occupied houses. But if there is local houses to that empty house, then that's a different story. So first of all, let's just examine every single empty house. Ask houses with sale price equal to 0. This refers to the empty houses. So we look at every and each empty houses one at a time. So first, we take one empty house, and we will see the empty house and then see the other houses. The distance to this empty house is within certain range, certain distance. So this means if there are houses, their distance to the empty house is within this distance, then we can consider they are local. But those local houses has to have a sale price. So the sale price has to be greater than 0. And then we get in this occupied or houses with sale price and within a certain distance, we consider them to be local houses. And if local houses do exist, then we will use those local houses' sale price, the median value of their sale prices, and use this median value to be the empty house sale price. If there's no local houses exist, we will consider all occupied houses their median price and use this median price to be the empty house sale price. This is how we get sale price for every single empty house.